ever seen a stunning light dancing in the night sky? That is the aurora, one of the most beautiful wonders in the world. But do you know how the aurora is formed? Let's explore the mystery behind this magical light.
An aurora is a natural light that appears in the night sky, especially near the polar regions. This phenomenon happens when charged particles from the sun, called solar wind, collide with Earth's magnetic field. These particles then move toward the poles and interact with gases in Earth's atmosphere, creating a beautiful glow.
There are two main types of auroras. The first, aurora borealis, seen in the northern polar region, often called the northern light. The second, aurora australis, seen in the southern polar region, often called the southern light. This phenomenon also happens on other planets like Jupiter and Saturn, which have strong magnetic fields.
Auroras are most visible near the poles, especially during winter when nights are longer. Some of the best places to see the aurora are Norway, Iceland, Alaska, and Canada. And remember, aurora are even more visible when solar activity is high.
Beyond its beauty, the aurora holds mystical stories. The Inuit people of Alaska believe the aurora is the spirit of hunted animals running across the sky.
In 1895, a massive solar storm made the aurora visible as far as the Caribbean. Imagine tropical sky suddenly lit up by polar light. This event, called the corridor Thorn event, could cause a global blackout. If it's happening today, the highest record aurora appear at 640 kilometers. Normally, they occur between 80 and 400 kilometers.
From legends to mind blowing science, the aurora remains one of nature's most exciting mysteries. But how does it light actually form? Let's dive into the science. The sun releases charged particles called solar wind. Those particles are pulled by Earth's magnetic field toward the poles. When the particles hit oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, they release energy as light.
The best time to see the aurora is during the winter, October and March, with dark, moonless skies. Great view spots include Norway, Iceland, and Finland, or Tasmania for the southern light. To photograph the aurora, use a DSLR camera with long exposure setting.
Can auroras make a sound? Really, but yes. Some report crackling or hissing during intense display, likely from electromagnetic ground effect.
Can we see auroras from Indonesia? Sadly, no. Indonesia is near the equator, but during extreme solar storm, like the current event, Jakarta's skies might turn red.
Why does auroras have different colors? It depends on which gas the solar particles hit. If it is green, it means the particles hit oxygen gas at an altitude of 100 until 300 kilometers. If it is red, it means the particles hit oxygen gas at an altitude above 300 kilometers. And if it is blue or purple, it means the particles hit nitrogen gas.
Auroras aren't just beautiful, they show how amazing our universe is. Did you know? Aurora can reach 400 kilometers above Earth. Their colors reveal which atmospheric gases they are hitting. So, ready to see the aurora in person?